Dear students, welcome to our channel Online Class with Emma. In this video, we are going to see Social Science Refresher Course Module for Class 9, Chapter 1, Indian Domination of the English East Indian Company. Evaluation part. First one, write a paragraph using the table below. Answer is Battle of Plassey. Alwardi Khan, the Nawab of Bengal, died in 1756 and his grandson Siraj-ud-Dowlah ascended the throne of Bengal. On June 20, 1756, Fort William of England surrendered to the Nawab, but the English general Robert Clive recaptured Calcutta. Finally, Siraj-ud-Dowlah accepted all the terms of the Robert Clive under the Treaty of Alinagar, dated February 9, 1757. Then Battle of Buxar. Mir Qasim revolted as he was angry with the British of misusing the district's free duty passes. However, having been defeated by the British, he fled to Awadh, where he formed a confederacy with Shuja-ud-Dowlah and Shah Alam. The battle was fought on October 22, 1764 at Buxar. Shuja-ud-Dowlah, Shah Alam and Mir Qasim were defeated by General Hector Munro. Mir Jafar was again placed on the throne. This is the answer for first one. Second one, guess and write what would happen if Jahangir had denied the British trade in India. Answer is the English should not have been able to set foot in India. Then timeline. Third one, 1600 permission to London Merchants Company. 1605 capture of Ambaina. 1700 Fort William was built. 1731 establishment of the Swedish East India Company. 1757 Flagship War. 1764 the Battle of Buxar. 1765 Allahabad Agreement. Then fill in the blanks. The battle created the base for British war dash. Answer is Battle of Plassey. In fourth fill in the blanks. Second one, the battle which got rights for British. The answer is Battle of Buxar. Then student activity. Second one, find out the answers. Group activity. Question: why Mirzafar was replaced as the Nawab of Bengal instead of Mir Qasim? Answer is he fell into arrears and was forced to abdicate in favor of his son-in-law Mir Qasim. Then question: how did the British get the chance to rule Burdwan, Midnapur and Chittagong? Answer is gratitude to the English for making Mir Qasim the Nawab of Bengal. Then next question, why Mir Qasim was angry with the British? Answer is for misusing the district's free duty passes. Then next question, where is Buxar situated? Answer is within the territory of Bihar. Then, who were participated in the Battle of Buxar? Answer is Mir Qasim, Shida Ud-Dawla and Shah Alam. Next question. What was the reason that made Mirzafar as Nawab once again? Answer is since Mir Qasim was defeated. Then next question. What was the agreement of the Allahabad Treaty? The Nawab had to disband most of his army and to administer Bengal through a deputy Subedar. Second one, write the names of the wars, their years and treaties on the card and match them into two groups. Wars, treaty, years. Then first one, and that first Treaty of Pondicherry 1775, Battle of Adayar 1746, Battle of Ambur 1749, War of Mandavasi 1760, Arcot War 1751, Treaty of Paris 1763. Then third one, mark the locations of the Carnatic War on the map of India. This is the map. We have completed Social Science Refresher Course Module Chapter 1. Next chapter we will upload in next video. Subscribe our channel for more videos. Thank you.